Alleles and genotypes. Based on the number of alleles, the number of the genotypes can be calculated. There is a formula which is used for the calculation of the genotypes based on the number of the alleles. The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. In this formula, n are the homozygotes or n are the number of alleles, while heterozygous, to calculate the number of the heterozygous, the formula is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. From this diagram, we can see that if a gene that contains one allele, there will be only one genotype and the genotype will be homozygous in nature. If a gene contains two alleles, there will be total 3 genotypes. Out of the 3 genotypes, 2 will be homozygote and 1 will be heterozygote. And if a gene that has 3 different alleles, based on the 3 different alleles, the number of genotypes will be 6, and out of 6, 3 will be homozygous and 3 will be heterozygous. If a gene has contained 4 different alleles, based on the alleles, the number of genotypes will be 10, 4 will be homozygous, 6 will be heterozygous. And if a gene contains 5 different alleles, there will be total 15 different genotypes, 5 will be homozygous and the 10 will be heterozygous. So these different genotypes based on the alleles can be calculated by using the formula, and we can also calculate how much will be the number of the homozygotes and how much will be the number of the heterozygotes. Number of genotypes can be calculated based on the number of alleles. Here is the formula to calculate the number of genotypes. By this formula, we can calculate the number of genotypes, and n, where n is the homozygous, while n into n minus 1 divided by 2 is to calculate the number of the heterozygotes. If we try here to calculate the genotypes for fur color of the rabbits, in case of rabbits, it has 4 different alleles. 4 different alleles are present to code the fur color of the rabbits. Genotypes can be calculated with this formula. Here, if we say that the alleles they are 4, it means 4 into n are the number for the alleles, 4 plus 1 bracket close divided by 2. So it will be 20 divided by 2. So there are 10 different genotypes. So if a individual or if a gene that has 4 alleles, by using this formula, we can calculate that how many genotypes can be produced if there are alleles in 4. So based on the alleles, we can calculate that how many genotypes will be produced.